As a participant of the EIM study, you have been asked to use the Microsoft Band app to track your physical activity over the course of the study. I am now going to walk you through how to download the app and link it to the EIMGRCC app, which you should have already downloaded. If you haven't downloaded the EIMGRCC app, please do so before continuing with this video. Starting from the EIM study website, click on the drop-down menu and select the EIMGRCC app page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the Microsoft Band user button. On the page that opens up, scroll down to the bottom of the page again and select the appropriate phone operating system. That should take you to the App Store where you can install the Microsoft Band app. If that doesn't work, type Microsoft Band into the App Store search bar. Once you've downloaded and opened the app, create a new account. After logging into the app, click on the drop-down menu and then My Phone. Here you will enable motion tracking to allow the activity tracker to monitor your physical activity levels. Lastly, you'll need to modify the sync setting. Once again, select the menu button in the upper left corner and click on Preferences. Scroll down to Sync Settings and make sure that the frequency is set to 30 minutes. Once all of that is done, you will connect the Microsoft Band app to the EIMGRCC app. To do this, open the EIM app and select the Sources button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on Connect Fitness Apps and choose Source. You will want to select Microsoft Band as the source. You will then be guided to sign into the account you just created. Once that is complete, your fitness data should upload from the Microsoft Band app to the EIMGRCC app. If you have any difficulties, contact exerciseismedicine@emory.edu.